We achieve consistent door sanding by having a multi-phased approach. One of the things we've tried to eliminate is the human touch on it. While hand sanding can be helpful in some regards, it lends itself towards inconsistency. We want extreme consistency across all of the sanding we do. Starting at the beginning, we use a wide belt sander, top of the line, to perfectly dimension the door. Then it goes through a brush sander, which has flexible abrasives, which are going to break the inside edge and help sand some of the little bits of the profile that are really hard to reach. Then it's going to go onto the CNC where it's perfectly squared, and then we come back and sand every single one of those doors to make sure even the slightest tool marks are removed. Then it goes to our robotic sander, which is going to sand the rails and stiles with a random orbital sander, and then we're going to use a square sanding pad to sand the center panel. Finally, it's going to go to an edge sander, which is going to put a perfect trim on the edge, and then it uses 3 different grits of random orbital sander and then 2 different sanders to perfectly sand the edges. Throughout the entire process, there is no person that's actually sanding, so we get incredible consistency at every step along the way. When the sanding is inconsistent or poor quality, you're going to see a poor quality finish. And when that finish declines, it makes the entire project look like it's sub-tier work. So we ensure we have the highest quality sanding, which will ensure you have the highest quality finish.